Hello there, caking friend. Welcome back to our channel, Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm Yvette Ferruccia, your host for today. So today we're going to be working on our buttercream horizontal stripe cake. So it's getting that beautiful rustic stripe in the buttercream cakes. Start by just applying your buttercream as you would normally, scraping around your sides with your fondant scraper to get nice smooth sides. Making sure you go back and fill in any gaps with some buttercream so that you do have a nice smooth surface. For the top, we just gently pull our buttercream in towards the center of the cake using our offset spatula. You can see we've got our white center pole in the middle there, and that's from the Loyal structure system. Once you're happy with the smoothness of the sides and the top of your cake, just use your offset spatula, placing the tip of it against your cake, making sure it's nice and clean. Make sure your cake is placed on a turntable and slowly turn it around with the flat tip of the spatula against your buttercream. When it does start to build up a little bit of buttercream, pull it off, clean it under some hot water and wipe it, and then resume. So just repeat this process over again until you finish the sides and then move on to the top of the cake. For the top tier, the process is the same. So just apply your buttercream, smooth it off, fill in any gaps again, make sure your sides are nice and smooth, and you need to work fairly quickly. We're working with American buttercream here, so it does start to crust. So you want to move as quick as you can with it so that when you're using your palette knife to create the beautiful rustic design, you don't have that crust formed already. Okay, same for the top of the cake. For the top tier here, we start from the center of the cake and just slowly move our palette knife out towards the edges. Okay, it's so much easier if you've got it on a good turntable. We like to use the Loyal 360 turntable, and that's available from Caker's Warehouse. Don't forget you can use our discount code Enchanted10 for all your caking products. So once you finish, stack your top tier onto your bottom tier and fill in the gaps with buttercream. And then you have a beautifully stacked buttercream horizontal stripe cake. We're using our signature buttercream, which is perfect for this rustic stripe style of cake. It's available on our website at enchantedcakes.com, and you'll be able to find an amazing tutorial, everything in the one place, from the recipe to all our tips and tricks to make it just so much easier for you to work with buttercream and create masterpiece after masterpiece. So have a look and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.